In the previous videos in this series, we installed the calendar plugin into our Northwind application and created an event type and a calendar to display the shipped orders. In this video, we'll see how to create a new event type that will display the late orders in the same calendar. So, in addition to the shipped orders we see in green here, we'll go through the steps for adding the late orders in red. Let's navigate to the admin area and open the calendar plugin. We don't need to re-upload the project file, as we've already uploaded before, so we'll click on Open a project you uploaded before. Then click on the Northwind project. Let's open the shipped orders event type we created before and see how we configured it. We added a custom where condition to show only the orders where the status column is equal to shipped. This time we'll create a similar event type for the late orders. Let's close this dialog. I'll click the New button in the Event Type section to create a new event type. Let's set the ID to late-orders. And let's set both the BG color and text color to danger. These are shades of red in the current theme. The source table will be the orders table like before. We'll add a custom where condition to show only the orders where the status column is equal to late. For the title, let's use the order ID column followed by the customer column like before. I'll check the all-day event checkbox and set the start date to the order date column. I won't set an end date for this event type either. Let's save this event type. Now we can see the late orders event type listed in the event type section, and it has a box colored in red matching the configured color. Next, let's add this event type to the orders calendar. I'll open the events drop-down and select the late orders event type. It's now listed beside the shipped orders event type. I'll leave the use separate calendars for each event type checkbox unchecked for now. This means that both the shipped orders and late orders will be displayed in the same calendar. Later on, we'll check it to see how the events are displayed in separate calendars. Let's save the calendar. I'll regenerate the calendar files to apply the changes. Seems like everything is okay. Let's navigate to the home page to see the updated calendar. I'll click on the Orders Calendar link. Again, since this is a demo application, we don't have any late orders in the current month. So let's navigate to a previous month that has some late orders. Okay, we can now see the late orders displayed in red in the calendar, along with the shipped orders in green. The event title is the order ID followed by the customer name, as we configured. So, this is how we can create a new event type and add it to an existing calendar in order to show multiple types of events in the same calendar.